Microbial diversity is emerging as one of the most important indicators of gut health, and its influence extends far beyond digestion to affect immunity, metabolism, mental well being, and overall resilience. A diverse microbiome is composed of many different species of bacteria, each with unique functions, capabilities, and interactions. This variety creates a balanced ecosystem in the gut that can adapt to environmental changes, resist infections, efficiently extract nutrients, and modulate inflammatory responses. The more types of beneficial microbes present, the more robust and flexible the system becomes, allowing the body to respond to stressors, dietary changes, and even illness with greater stability. In other words, diversity is not just a number. It is the foundation of a resilient, high-functioning microbial community that supports long-term health. One of the key benefits of microbial diversity is its contribution to resilience. Different bacteria specialize in different tasks. Some break down fiber into short-chain fatty acids that nourish gut cells and regulate inflammation. Others produce vitamins or essential compounds, and still others help train and modulate the immune system. When a gut ecosystem contains a wide array of species, these functions are distributed and reinforced, making the system less vulnerable to disruption. For example, after an antibiotic course or a period of dietary stress, a diverse microbiome is more likely to recover quickly because multiple species can fill overlapping roles and maintain balance. This redundancy and specialization create a form of microbial insurance, helping the gut and the entire body stay healthy despite temporary challenges. Modern lifestyles, however, often reduce microbial diversity. Diets that are low in fiber and rich in processed foods fail to provide the nutrients and prebiotics that beneficial bacteria need to flourish. High sugar intake and excessive fat can favor the growth of a few dominant bacteria, crowding out less common but equally important species. Antibiotic overuse, chronic stress, lack of sleep, and limited exposure to diverse natural environments further diminish microbial variety, leaving the gut ecosystem less adaptable and more susceptible to imbalances. Studies show that people living in highly urbanized, industrialized settings tend to have lower microbial diversity compared to populations with more traditional diets and greater contact with soil, animals, and fermented foods. While the effects of low diversity are subtle in the short term, over years they can contribute to inflammation, digestive issues, metabolic inefficiencies, and even reduced immune resilience. The encouraging news is that microbial diversity is highly responsive to lifestyle and dietary interventions, meaning it can be nurtured and restored. One of the most effective strategies is to eat a wide variety of plant-based foods. Fruits, vegetables, legumes, whole grains, nuts, and seeds provide fibers, polyphenol, and micronutrients that support multiple types of beneficial bacteria. Each plant species feeds different microbes, so greater dietary variety translates directly into greater microbial diversity. Seasonal and colorful eating further enhances this effect, supplying a spectrum of compounds that create a dynamic, nutrient-rich environment for gut bacteria. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, miso, and tempeh add live bacteria that can integrate into the gut ecosystem, introducing new strains and reinforcing overall diversity. Prebiotics, compounds that feed beneficial bacteria, also play a crucial role. Foods rich in inulin, resistant starch, and other fermentable fibers help existing microbes thrive and promote the growth of less abundant species. Examples include garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, bananas, oats, and barley. Incorporating these into daily meals provides the fuel necessary for a rich and varied microbiome. Additionally, lifestyle practices such as regular physical activity, adequate sleep, stress management, and mindful exposure to outdoor environments support microbial balance and encourage a resilient gut ecosystem. Even small changes, like increasing the number of different vegetables in meals or spending more time in nature, can gradually enhance microbial variety. The long-term benefits of microbial diversity are profound and wide-ranging. A rich microbiome supports digestion, nutrient absorption, and energy metabolism, while simultaneously enhancing immune surveillance and reducing the risk of chronic inflammation. Emerging research also suggests links between microbial variety and mental well-being, indicating that a diverse gut can contribute to mood regulation, stress resilience, and cognitive performance. By prioritizing diversity through diet and lifestyle, People can cultivate a microbiome that not only withstands challenges, but also actively promotes vitality, longevity, and overall wellness. In summary, microbial diversity is central to a healthy and resilient gut ecosystem. It provides the functional redundancy, metabolic flexibility, and immune support necessary for optimal health. Modern lifestyles can reduce diversity, but the positive aspect is that it is highly recoverable through consistent, thoughtful actions. Eating a wide variety of plant-based and fermented foods, incorporating prebiotics, managing stress, and engaging with natural environments all foster a thriving, multi-species microbial community. By investing in microbial diversity, individuals can strengthen digestion, immunity, and metabolic health while supporting mental well-being, creating a powerful foundation for long-term vitality and resilience.